Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a NOKIA X20. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Now need close ads and choose your application from the list. Maybe YouTube will be nice. So choose your applications and from the library choose your icon what you want to use. Maybe this one will be nice. Okay, and now in the top right corner we got OK button. So press it and wait a second for generating of new icon. Now click add to home screen, and how you can see we got success message, and let's try find our new icon. So how you can see we got new icon of YouTube application. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.